How y'all doing? I got the Rock Island Armory bolt action 22 TCM. Now, I got the pistol and I got this bolt action. What I really would like to see is a carbine semi-automatic rifle. But I have a target up there about 40 yards. Hopefully I can hit it. I think I got it close when it comes to this red dot I have on that gun. Let's see what happens. If I miss, I miss. But I have 5 other shots. This thing holds 5. All right. The only other problem I have with this rifle is dovetailed. But you know what? The dovetailed mount is not really a problem because it really doesn't have that much kick. Let's see what happens. I have failed videos before. Let's see what happens. I do believe this battery's almost dead on this red dot though. Follow me, dear. I mean, that's one shot. That's definitely in there. Let's see what happened. This is 40 yards. I already did it point blank. Is it better at 40? I don't know. See if we pulp that bullet. Oh yeah, it's in there. Looks like it hit to the little bit to the right. First jug gone. Second jug. Ah, it came out. That sucks. Well, at 40 yards, yep. At 40 yards, we do not get a bullet. So apparently it penetrates better because it slows down, which wouldn't make sense to me because I've seen smaller rounds penetrate better downrange. Right there's where it exited. Well, I know better next time. I'm going to get 3 jugs. Line them up. Bye.